Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to find Michigan public records online. To start, visit michiganpublicrecords.org. You can I'll also leave a link in the description. You can click on that, or you can just type it into your browser. So on the home page here, you will see an alphabetized list of the different public record databases available at the state level. So depending on what type of a public records check in Michigan you need, you should be able to find a database or maybe even multiple databases. So we also created pages that are specific to the most sought after records, which would be, if you hover over other records, you'll notice anything from background checks to criminal records to property records. And I'll show you how these pages work. So they just cover more detail about a specific area of public record research. So background checks. The first set you'll see here is a set of databases available at the state level, anything from court databases to the iChat criminal history access tool, prison records, sex offender registry. So these would be at the state level. Then if you scroll down lower, you'll notice databases available at the county level. So maybe you want to do an inmate search, so at the local sheriff's department. Those are not necessarily going to show up in the statewide prison system, but if you wanted to find that information, you would have to look at it at the county level. So you have county level databases, and then you have your statewide databases. So this is a quick explanation about how the website works. So you have multiple databases here. Another thing to consider is the name search on top. Now this is both a private and public database. It uses records not only at the county or the Michigan state level, it pulls records from other states also. So let's say if you are trying to find, say, a criminal record or some kind of a financial record, if you're just checking a particular county or the Michigan state, and let's say they have records coming from Minnesota or Wyoming, whatever state it may be, you're not necessarily going to see that information. So if you want to cover all your bases, you want to make sure you're looking at public records from multiple databases in multiple states. There's also private databases in there, and those would be things like cell phone information, previous addresses. There's quite a few things. So you have your county here, you have your state, and then you also have your private. So come on down to michiganpublicrecords.org and get started on your Michigan public records check. Thank you.